KW Cary, this is Michael Treadhart. How we doing? Looking forward to part one of Generate More Leads for Free. This is a session that is, of course, going to be part one and part two. And we're going to go in and show you some tools and techniques that you can apply to your business in a multitude of ways to grow your business on so many different fronts. And the vast majority of what I'm going to be sharing with you in parts one and two are going to be completely free. So part one is going to be, as you see right here, Wednesday, March 2nd. Wednesday, March 2nd. That'll be $15. It's going to be an hour and a half long class. And then we are going to do part two on Wednesday, March 9th. And that's going to be $15 as well, too. So a total of 3 hours. The records for this class, I got an agent in Pennsylvania that was able to secure over 60 active listings in less than 1 hour. I had another one in Austin, Texas, get an $8.25 million buyer in less than 30 minutes. And then I had another one in Portland, Maine, get a lead in 1 second. They did something and they immediately got a response and a lead right then and there. It's pretty amazing. Let's see if we can go set some records. So I will see you guys on March 2nd and March 9th for Generate More Leads for Free, part one and two. See you then.